What's good? Welcome to 2025. All right, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. We're gonna talk about three things that will improve your trading immediately. Like immediately. Three simple things. First thing is to take less trades. Like me personally, my goal for this year here is to take less trades. Like looking back, I have a trading journal. And whenever I review my trades, like for the month or even the year, like the amount of trades that I take is insane. And for me to be a swing trader or an intraday trader, more so on the swing trader side, the amount of trades I take, it's insane. It's very insane. It's too much. It's too much. And the way you can take less trades is by don't take every setup you see. Take the right setup. Do not take every setup you see. Take the right setup. Take the right setup. You know, be patient. That goes into taking the right setup. Be patient. You need to be taking trades when a candle closes. That's in every trading plan. You need to be taking your trades after that candle close, because you can see a trade and you can be trying to go bullish, and that candle can be looking like a bullish engulfing candle, and you hop into that trade, and the next thing you know, that thing turns into a doji, you know what I'm saying, or let's say a kangaroo with a kangaroo tail, and next thing you know, that you just lost a trade. It's going straight to your stop loss, straight to your stop loss, because you couldn't be patient and wait for the candle to close. So be patient. Do not take every setup. Take the right setup. FOMO. Control your FOMO. Like, oh my gosh. Control your FOMO. Like, when you're trading and if you lose a trade, do not hop back in and revenge trade. Do not hop back in and revenge trade. When you're trading and you're waiting for your actual setup to present itself, and it does not present itself, but the trade still goes in the direction that you thought it was going to go into, do not just hop into that trade like, oh, I'm gonna catch a piece of it. Do not do that. Do not revenge trade. Do not hop into a random trade because you just missed out on a trade. Say you probably weren't at your charts, and the trade set up in London, and you've been waiting on this setup for the past day or two, and it finally set up in London session, and you missed it. And you in the New York session over here like, dang, I've been waiting for 2 days for this setup, and I just missed it. I need to get into a trade, and you just hop into any type of trade. Now you just lost money. You just lost money. Like, that's the main thing when it comes to taking less trades. Less opportunities for you to lose money. For real. Less opportunities for you to lose money, and it allows you to really analyze and see what the charts are doing. So that's the big thing. So number one, take less trades. So number two is to lower your risk. Lower your risk. Because when you lower your risk, you also give yourself more opportunities to take trades and to stay in the market. And also, it lowers your stress. It lowers your stress. This year, I'm trading with a live account. I'm trading with my money. And I already told myself, like, yo, my risk going to be lower than low. Like, I ain't rich. I am not rich. My account is going to be $500 on an Oanda live account, and I'm going to risk 1%, 1 to 2%, and that's going to be $5 to $10. It sounds like a small amount. It's because it is, because I know that trading is a marathon. I know that I'm not trying to do what these fake gurus do, flip $100 to $1 million. I know that I want this account to last a lifetime, and as time go on, I will up my risk. But for now, my risk will be small, will be a lowered risk. I'm not trying to stress. I'm trying to be able to place my trade and let my trade do what it needs to do. I'm not trying to be staring at my charts like, oh my gosh, I'm in drawdown. That's a lot of drawdown. I might need to close my trade. Nah, I'm not trying to live like that life. Lower your risk. If you want to improve your trading, lower your risk. Because if your risk is too high, first of all, you're gonna blow your account. Second of all, some people can't stomach drawdown. Some people cannot handle drawdown. That drawdown will make somebody freak out if their risk is too high. And then third of all, if your risk is too high, it leads into if your risk is too high, then off rep you have a lot going on with your trading plan that you need to work on. And if your risk is too high, it's going to lead to everything that I mentioned before. It's going to lead into FOMO. It's going to lead into revenge trading. It's going to lead to over trading. So lower your risk. So the third thing is to follow your trading plan. Follow your trading plan. Like if your trading plan is to follow the trend based on a higher time frame, wait for a break of a level on a higher time frame, wait for a retest of a level on a higher time frame, go down to the lower time frame to wait for an entry. If your entry requires a certain candlestick pattern, whereas multiple candlesticks are just an engulfing candle, then that's your strategy. That's your trading plan. If your trading plan calls for you to take your trades during New York session and you can leave it open through Asian session, but you're not supposed to open any trades on the Asian session, then don't open a trade during the Asian session. If your plan calls for you to not trade on Sundays when the market's open, or Monday or Friday, then don't trade on those days. If your trading plan calls for you to be aware of the news and close your trades during the news, then close your trades during the news. It's as simple as that. Why create a trading plan to not follow it? And I guarantee this to you. I guarantee you, whenever you do not follow your trading plan, that's when you lose your most trades. Trust yourself. Trust that plan that you spent all this time building and creating. Trust it. Follow it. Once you put all into following this plan and not going off the plan, then that's when you will have good data. You'll have ample data to review and to see what you need to change within your plan. So follow your trading plan. Follow your trading strategy. Follow it. So main 3 things that will improve your trading immediately in 2025 is follow your trading plan, lower your risk, take less trades. Once again, take less trades, lower your risk, follow your trading plan. Once you do those 3 things, I guarantee you will see better results in 2025. I guarantee you. And if not, in December, come back to this video in December and be in the comments like, hey bro, I followed them 3 things and they did not work out for me. I don't know what you was talking about. Come back and tell me what's up. But all right, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, check out my clothing brand that's in the description. I appreciate y'all.